Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload files or pictures in Google Drive. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in Google Drive right now, and the way that you upload files is very easy. Now, to upload pictures, you can do two ways. One is available on both PC and mobile phones, and one is exclusively to PC. But if you're on mobile phone or PC, you just click the plus icon and click file upload or folder upload if you have an entire folder of pictures. Once you click either of those, your file manager for your system will boot up, and then you'll be prompted to find the folders or files that you want to add. Then just click on them, click upload, make sure you have the permissions to upload them, and that is pretty much done and dusted with that. Now on PC, as I mentioned, you have another way, and you can just open up your file manager yourself and locate the pictures. In this case I have videos, but it's pretty much the same thing. You just locate the files that you want, click them, and drag them over. And as you can see, they are uploading into my drive, and it has been uploaded right here. And that's literally all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.